Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. So today we will learn about the Google Chat application, and I wanted to show you the way how you can get the Google Chat application for your iPhone. So basically, if you want to have those any applications for your iPhone, you need to visit the App Store. Open your app library and then just tap into the search button in the App Store, or since it has like an A letter, so it will be like show in the top side, go click it and open it. Now just need to wait and it's perfectly open, so you just need to directly go click the search button and then you just need to type Google Chat on the search button to make it easier to find the application. And now you just need to go click search. So the Google Chat application will be with this icon. So if you want to download it, and if you never downloaded it before, so here will be like a download button, so you just need to go click it. Since I already downloaded before, so that my cloud already like saved those application information on the storage, so yeah, you'll see that kind of like have different button on it. So you just need to wait until this application is perfectly installed into your iPhone. You can while you're waiting, you can just open it and then you just need to read the information about the preview of the application and what the features that they offers to you. There will be like a lot of information that provide to you so that you will know about the brief information that you will got after got this application installed into your iPhone. And also you can just see the review and ratings of this application. It's also help you to make yourself sure about the safetyness of this application. So you just need to like scrolling down to find more informations, and you're done. And whenever it's perfectly installed, you can just click it to open it. And for the next tutorial about how the way you can use the Google Chat application, it's already made in this channel, so make sure you subscribe into this channel and turn off the notifications button to get more information of it. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.